So to see this thing that how is sound produced, we will do some activity. So come with me. Okay, so let me start. Say. So let me do the activity. See, all these are what? All these are tuning forks, and its measurement is also written here. Here, see, this is 256. In all these tuning forks, its measurement is written. That means all these tuning forks are of different frequencies. So whenever we strike this tuning fork on anything, it produces vibration, and because of the production of the vibration, it produces a sound also. When we will keep this tuning fork nearer to our ear, we are able to listen that sound. Otherwise we cannot listen, because this sound is not so much high. So see, and how this tuning fork is producing some vibration. How we will prove it? See, this is calm water. When we are putting this tuning fork without any vibration inside it, so there is no change in the water, but so nice ripples produced. Have you seen? So nice ripples produced. Okay, so nice ripples produced, and by the production of these ripples, we can say that vibrations are producing inside it, and one sound it is also producing. How? See, this is the vibrating, and we are see, when initially I am keeping it inside in contact with this tiffin box, there is no sound, but when vibrating, see what I have done. This vibrating tuning fork, when it is striking, when it is touching this tiffin box, it is producing some sound. That means because of the production of the vibration, here sound is producing. Now let me come to third. Here is a stage string. This is a stage string, and I will produce vibrations here. You can see sound is producing here. Are you able to see? Sound is producing here. Okay? Sound is producing here. And inside this, it is vibrating. It is vibrating with a high frequency, and sound is producing. Okay? Now, the third case. You touch to your throat and talk something or produce vibration. See, whenever you are talking, that time vibration is producing here. There is some vibration inside the throat. And see, when there is vibration in your throat, that time the sound is producing. That means whenever you are producing the sound, there is a vibration. So by these three activities, we have done three activities. First one with the tuning fork. First activity was with the tuning fork. Second was what? With what? Straight string. And third one was with vibrating throat. So, in all three cases, 1, 2 and 3, in all three cases, one thing is common. That is what? That is vibration. That is vibration. It is what? It is vibration. So we can say that by the vibration the sound is produced. Sound is produced how? By the vibration the sound is produced. Okay? Hope this thing is clear to all of you. Okay, thank you and bye bye.